Hello, thank you for your interest in watching this quick presentation. RenderLearn is a distance learning system that enables you, your company or institution to distribute content for training. With RenderLearn, create content, learning trails, and distribute to company departments, internal and external teams, train franchises, or empower new employees. Use ready-made content or create new ones to form complete courses, be they professional, technical, university or graduate level. Evaluate the use of your collaborators and students with certification reports and tests. Or even, advertise and sell your content on an e-commerce by accepting various forms of payment. Whether you want to create a corporate university, virtual library, distance learning for your school or institution in distance or hybrid classes, the platform is ready to be configured and used in various ways. Our team is able to understand you and suggest the best solution. In addition, we can integrate with your environment. Make an appointment and tell our team your needs. Together we will expand the success of your business. Thank you.